Spanish town rocking, over prison over. I grew up in a place called Ensom City, Spanish town grooving, everybody nice. Spanish town, me born, that's where me come from. From me looking at me face, you see a De La Vegan. Well, I said, come Max and Glazer, anti-federation. Strictly roots and culture, play per nice station. Yo, yeah, me Latino you, them on the money promoter. We are doing this to the dance, done ram ready. Spain town original. And my neighbors drink out over Spanish town hospital. To me move. Place called Jamaica, Spanish town rocking, over prison over. I grew up in a place called Ensom City, Spanish town grooving, everybody nice. Never leave I alone. So even when the road get rocky, me say me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going get tough,
we are give up. Cause the road very rocky.
Very.
Cause we realize that the show almost done. I don't have no food. So guess what? Dwayne and I
2 weeks.
quit. We're gone. Show done.
2 weeks. We're gone 2 weeks.
And no food.
And come back and get no
food. And last week them eat off my food. Just so you know, I'm just letting everybody know that the crew sat in here and ate off the food that I was supposed to get, and I didn't get any breakfast last week.
Jamaica.
Okay. Anyway, we're gonna cook up some lyrics today. We're gonna, all right, there's a challenge, a little bit of a challenge. We're gonna give them a word and a beat. Them didn't want just freestyle, but the producer thought that we needed to give them a little bit of a challenge. So we're gonna give them a word, give them a beat, and we're gonna see who between these two wordsmiths can cook up the best freestyle.
I'm the cook up thing.
Okay, cook up, no food that hurt you, those words hurt you?
belly.
And guess what? Cherise Lavon, who was our wordsmith earlier, is going to stay here and be the judge. She's going to be the judge. Ready?
Yep, ready.
All right. So, who are going to get them to beat you?
I can't get a beat.
DJ, I'm going to run the beat. All right.
Uncle Audley of the beat.
Uncle Audley. All right, so our first word is creative. Uncle Audley, run the beat.
Who do I give this?
Whoever you feel must get it first.
All right.
Creative.
Go through with the beat. We can't hear
Right,
nothing.
ready with beat?
Okay.
I am.
There we go.
Yeah? Yeah?
That's how they read it. We can't hear, guys. Give me the volume now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Give thanks when the sun rise till the sunset. Life not easy, and I just saw it things set. Right now, man, I feel be creative on the stage, cause everybody watch me a yard. Them so see me fly out, gone pan broad. Them know said this a youth and not easy. Everything nice, everything smooth, everything nice.
Pull up that, pull up that.
All right, Eva Blau, it's your turn. Run the rhythm. Okay. Next
Okay.
what?
Next
word.
word is
his word is addiction. Okay.
This was easy for you, man.
Okay. Same rhythm?
Yeah, man, same reading.
Okay.
Addiction. Yo. Addiction is a need to grow. I live my life like it's 24 hours to go. Take hold of the day like your girl when you're chilling. Make every second count like per second billing.
Make every second count like per second billing. And who you advertise for digital coffee? Yeah. All right, that was nice.
All right, so we're going to the next word. Next word. That round.
Next round.
Yeah, next round because we can't separate them.
Next round.
All right, the
That's
next
not your
word.
that's not your job. You ain't a judge.
Sorry.
All right.
Okay, next word is power.
So that's for Jamud.
Jamuda.
Yeah, Paul. Roxana, yeah, yeah. That's why me a burn a fire. Where it require me bad mind can't admire. The government, them have the power, them fi use it. Give the youths them the knowledge. Don't abuse the thing, no, cause Right now we are bona fire where it require me. Bad mind can't admire as a youth hustling in the street, trying to make 3 ends meet. We are make 3 ends meet.
3 ends. All right. And so the next word is annihilate, and that annihilate. Oh gosh. Oh God, them wickedy.
How can I word this?
Annihilate.
You could even spell this till me at 10.
It's still at 10.
Yeah, you
That's
spell,
good.
Spell with 1 N.
Yeah. Annihilate, demon, sip, spliff and Guinness. Skip the Cub Scouts to a steady rhythm. Skip the Cub Scout to Selassie army. Put the Jenna in a drought and we still farming. Loose bar, that a boost war. That gone too far.
Annihilate it, yes. And Jamuda, we got back to you, and your word is protection. Next rhythm, Mr. DJ.
Right now. Yeah, freestyle. Right now, me need some protection from the Most High, because the street it not easy at all. State of emergency in a Montego Bay, and a so I man stay. Right now, we need to stop the crime. We need to stop the crime. Like a plane get delay. Like a plane get delay. We need protection from the Most High. We need protection. Oh me, oh my.
But, and can I tell you, before this, the gentlemen were saying, no, I don't know what
Them don't want the word, because them
Them
just want freestyle. See why they must get the word? Last word. Why y'all put this a fire in us and we can't see?
But me can't see close.
Whether your problem that, this is your run, this is mine. Rehabilitate, and that is the last word, and then our judge will get going. Okay.
Rehabilitate me, try to be artistic. Fighting for yourself when yourself already is it. Selfish and a misfit. That's what they make me out to be. Spoiled and entitled. It's you who you know, not me. Pulling off, ice in the cooler, the usual cough. Universal law, be the best version of who you are.
Straight out of Santa Cruz. Saint Elizabeth. Straight out of Santa Cruz. Saint Elizabeth.
All right. Bless up. Wow, thank you, Jamida. Thank you, Everflow. All right, so that's not such an easy task. I judged based on creativity, the ability to ride the rhythm like a lizard on a leaf, and also just the wordsmith and the wordplay. I have to say, no bias, Everflow. You came out on top. So please give Everflow a round of applause, everybody. But Jamida, thank you. Really good. Really awesome. Yeah. Thanks for having me, judge.
Of course, you feel nice when you get to judge, don't you? You have the power.
What's my word? Ready?
Oh, Lord. Okay, give him a word. Give him a word, Cherise. Give him a word.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
Right? Rhinoceros. Then come from Africa. Hey, why you such a hard?
Rhinoceros, them come from Africa. That's it.
No, you can Everflow. Give me some rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros?
Yeah, man. Or lion.
Rhinoceros. Made the rhinoceros.
The man said rhinoceros. I'm the rhinoceros.
Done. I done.
You see why it's not your thing. You must know what's your thing. All right, guys, it was a creative Saturday, but we're at an end. And before we go, you know, so we have to say the big up. Oh, we're going for a break? Oh, we're going for a break and come back. So we'll come back. I'm going to tell you.
I'm going to learn some freestyle from the genius.
Rhinoceros. I'm the rhinoceros.